Alright, I have been somewhat remiss in my uploading this week. It's been a very busy, chaotic time the last couple of days and the last week, in fact, just with doctor's appointments and dentist's appointments and getting the boyfriend's car fixed, and just real life really piled it on there for a bit. So it's been a bit since I've done a Postbag, so I think I'll do a Postbag today. I can't find my little knife, so I'm going to use this big one. So we'll start with this one right here, which is just a little thing here labeled bulb transistor. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this should be a reel, or a section of a reel, of little, really tiny SMT transistors. Yep, little SOT23, I believe, package transistors, which I'm going to be using for sub-miniaturizing jewel thieves. So that's, I think, the last component I needed for those, so I'll be starting work on those. Now, this, I think I know what this is, but I'm not sure. 1X integrated circuit, it's pretty bulky. But let's find out what it is. Well, we have a bunch of LEDs. That's actually quite a selection of LEDs. A USB cord, which tells me exactly what we're looking at there. And then we've got a off-brand Arduino right there. That is an extremely off-brand Arduino. I mean, I even have to solder my own headers onto these pins here, although I guess I don't really super need to because I've got these ones, but I'll probably solder those into place anyway. And it's got an ICSP, that's kind of interesting. The power plug is completely off kilter. I may actually resolder that. But yeah, it's just a generic Arduino Uno Chinese knockoff, which means that I will actually be contesting the charge because the website that I bought this from, I think it's invntr.io or something like that. I'm not even going to put the correct link on. They marketed these as being genuine Arduino, which they are not, so that's fraud. But I'll worry about that later. And the other thing that I was going to go through here is this bag of loot that I got at a local store. Now, I already went through some of this on the vlog channel. I need to record a vlog because I haven't done a vlog in several days, not since my trying to explain God via interdimensional physics, which I rather liked. But a bunch of these ribbon cables with the what do you call them? The DuPont connectors on the ends. They're the folded ones, so they're not that high quality, but you know, they'll do. But I always seem to lose these somehow, which is weird because they never leave this room, so I have no idea where they get off to. But that's a nice big stack of those. And then we've got a bunch of just neat little flotsam here, a bunch of different color LEDs. I have to sit down and work my way through them. These ones, which are, I have no idea what color these are. Can I get a reasonably decent? Okay, so those are the true orange ones. I don't know if that's actually gonna figure in on the camera, but yeah, those are the true orange. And it's a weird sort of shape on the lens there. It's kind of bullet shaped rather than being straight. And then let's see, do we have any of the more classic ones? Yeah, like these ones, which are straight on the sides and then, you know, a neat curve on the top. These start curving very early and have a very gentle curve up. I've never seen that shape in an LED before. And then I've got a bunch of random little diode looking things here. I have no idea what that, oops, oh, that went on the floor. I have no idea what these are. I just pulled them out of the box. a bunch of these carbon composition resistors, which I need for a different project. Hopefully I've got an appropriate number of values here so I can cobble up what I need. This thing, which I think is a resistor, which is absolutely filthy and ancient and only has 2 color bands on it. And then this, which I didn't grab this for the jack, I grabbed this for the resistors that were on it, more carbon comp. And a very, very old 7-segment display there that I'll have to do some very careful testing with to figure out where the anodes and cathodes are. And another kind of old 7-segment display, which is kind of manky on the top here, that's going to need a good cleaning. Actually, that's technically an 8-segment display because it's got 2 decimal points on it, probably for a clock or something. But yeah, so that's my current loot. The Arduino there, which is a complete knockoff, and some other goodies and stuff here. And the transistors. So yeah. So that's it for this Postbag video. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy from my channel. Right here is the Postbag playlist, and right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to support my buying of things like this. Oh yeah, and there was also a Switch. Anyway, bye-bye.